Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing how to make beef kebab. Yes. So if you are interested, please continue watching, all right? So first, we're starting with our beef, all washed. Now go on and pat them dry, okay? Wash your meat thoroughly with some salt, okay? Make sure they are clean. Afterwards, go ahead and pat them dry with your kitchen towel. All cut up, guys. Look at the sizes. Yes. So go ahead and cut them to this size, okay? Now it is time to season, okay? Now go in with a teaspoon of garlic powder. Next is a teaspoon of ginger powder. You can increase it if your meat is big, yes. If you're making use of large meats, increase your ingredients, please. If you notice, we've added our paprika, a teaspoon of it, and now we are going in with a teaspoon of peri-peri seasoning. Yes, guys, if you do not have it, do not worry, okay? It's optional though. So now we are going in with a tablespoon of soy spice, guys. Next is your seasoning, okay? Season to taste. Also remember to add half teaspoon of salt. I skipped that part. Now we are going in with some oil. We're making use of sesame oil. You can use vegetable oil or olive oil, whichever one you have, okay? Once you've added it, go on and mix to well combine. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome to Oma Sport. This channel teaches how to make delicious, easy recipes, how to bake and make easy small chops and snacks. So if you are interested, please go ahead and hit the subscription button so you become part of this amazing family. Also, remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, okay? Thank you. All right, guys, at this point, we're done mixing. Now go ahead and cover it with a cling film and we're going to allow it to sit for an hour or more. Yes, if you can do overnight, that's perfect. All right, guys, moving on to the next step. Get your chopping board and your bell peppers. Yes, we need them in this recipe. So you go ahead and wash them. Now we are going to cut them up into desired sizes and shapes. So guys, we are going to use half of each, okay? But if your beef is much, yeah, you can make use of whole of it, yeah. So I'm gonna half it, the green one and also the yellow one. This is us cutting them up. At this point, guys, we are done with the bell peppers. Moving on to the next ingredient, which is onions, yes. And we're gonna have it as well. Afterwards, you go ahead and cut it up, okay? So guys, anytime I'm making something like this, I usually separate my onions this way, yes. All right, guys, we are through with the veggies. We are done with the veggies. They are looking colorful, yes. So guys, like I said in my previous video, yeah, if there's any area you guys want me to improve on, let me know, okay? Let me know. My goal is to serve you guys better, okay? All right, guys, we are done with the veggies, so you go ahead and set them aside. Moving on to the next step. Now, going back to our beef after an hour, this is what we have. Well marinated, yes. Marination helps our meat, our protein to come out very tasty. Yes, if you do not know or you do not take it serious, please consider taking it serious from now on. All right, guys, so it is time to fasten it on our skewer. Here is our skewer, okay? And we also have our veggies by the side. So, guys, it is time to fasten. Go on and fasten those beefs on the skewer, just like you're watching me do. Please be careful. Be careful with this skewer. It is very sharp, so you don't injure yourself. Handle it with care, please. Now go in with the vegetables, okay? Yes, just watch and see how I do it. So you know guys, there is no perfect way to or better way to arrange it. Whichever way that suits you, please, by all means. All right guys, if you notice, I go with the beef first, then veggies, next beef, just like that. Okay, so this is how you continue until you are through with them all. Okay. Shout out to my newest and returning subscribers, the kings and the queens of this amazing family. Guys, your girl is very grateful. Thank you for your massive love and support. I am indeed very grateful. Please keep up the good work, for it motivates me to do more. Thank you guys so much. God bless you all. So guys, we are still on it. Yeah, let's get one ready. Yeah. I'm just trying to show you guys how to fasten it on your skewer. So bear with me. I would have fast forwarded, but for this reason, bear with me, please. So guys, we are through with this one. Yes, look at how it's looking. So this is how you will continue, okay? In order not to make the video too long or lengthy, I have to cut the part where I did the rest. But this is the last one, looking all good. Guys, check it out. It looks so colorful. Oh my. Guys, we are not done, but look at how it's looking. Super good. It looks good, guys. That's to tell you that this recipe is going to taste super good and it's a must try. So guys, moving on to the next step. Get your pan, grease it with some oil, some vegetable oil, and gently place your fastened beef on it. Just like this, guys. Lovely. So guys, we're going to allow it to fry to our satisfaction. Yes. Arrange it properly, and afterwards go ahead and cover it up. This is us checking after 5 minutes. Now go on and flip the other side, just this way. Done, guys. Now let's cover it up again and allow it to fry. Checking back again, guys, it is set. This is how we want it. This is how I want it, okay? But if you want it to dry some more, just go ahead and continue frying until it gets to what you really want, okay? Oh my, guys, our beef kebab is ready. So ready. Lovely. Oh my, guys, this looks so good. I can't wait to test it. This is lovely. Please give it a go, okay? So now go on and take it off the heat. It is time to serve. So guys, I have lettuce spread on my plate already. Now, this is me plating our delicious beef kebabs, guys. Oh my gosh, this is looking good. Tell me you're not salivating. Tell me, I know you are salivating. Yes, I know. So guys, are you going to give this recipe a try? Let me know in the comment section. And if you have watched to this extent and you've not given this video a thumbs up, please, I beg you, go ahead and hit the like button for me. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe as well. Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking. Please remember to leave me a valuable feedback, share for others to see my video, okay? Let's have a taste of it. Guys, super good. Please give it a go, okay? Alright, see you guys in my next video. Bye.